In this video, I'm going to show you how to make great content on Instagram, even if you're only just starting out. Because you might think, okay, well, how do you make all of these good Instagram posts? Like, for an example, let's have a look at this Instagram post. How did I make an Instagram post like this? Okay, or even making all that. I don't have Photoshop, I'm not good at it. I totally understand, that is fine. What you need to do is you want to open up your Canva account. Once you open up Canva, you want to come across here to Instagram post. If you don't see it down here, you want to go to let's type in Instagram post. Okay, these are all the Instagram posts, what we're seeing at the moment. So just choose blank when you first get started. And then you've got all your templates over here. Food for Instagram sales for Instagram. Perfect. That's a perfect one. Because if you're running sales and stuff like that, you can change all of this very easy. So for an example, let's say if I'm running an ad right now, what says 50% off. So let's say what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to run an ad, what says we're having 50% discount on all new websites. And I'm going to upload this on, I'm going to actually upload this on my Instagram page via the PC. Okay, you can't do it by PC, but if there's a way, there's a will. I'm going to show you this. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload on Instagram via PC, because usually on Instagram, you can only upload photos on Instagram via the mobile app. The mobile app is free, but again, that means you've got to download these photos. When we're going to edit these photos up, you got to send them to your email to your phone, or get them to your phone somehow, then upload them through email. But I'm going to show you a different way on how to do that today. So let's say if I'm going to run something about a website, we were going to run 50% off. So as you can see here, this is really good. So as you can see, really clean, nice background. I can make it a little bit smaller if I want. So if you look at that background, it looks really good. Like, that's exactly what we want. It's in our theme about computers and stuff like that. So what I can do here is I can literally just edit this. I'm just going to say, don't miss out. 50% off all new websites, ends the 30th of the 1st, 2020. Okay, if I want to change anything, let's say if I don't like that background, I really do like that background. To be honest with you, I really do like that background. Okay, but let's say if I wanted to change, let's say this black, I can just make the changes here like this. See what I mean? Very easy to change. If I want to change the color of the text, I can change the color of the text. It's black at the moment, it's white at the moment, I can change it to yellow. I can change it to red. Doesn't matter what I change it to, it's very easy to change. If I want to change the background, I can go to photos. There's two ways to do it. I can go to photos. I can upload this photo if I like into the background. Just pull it across, whatever's easiest. If I've made a mistake, I can always press undo up the top here. Sorry about that. I can always press undo, or I can always go back to the previous change I want to do. Okay, if you don't really want to have any colors in the background, you can click on it, or you can come down to backgrounds here and you can just change the color to anything you want to do. Totally up to you on how you want to do it. If you're happy with this, okay, if you're happy with your background now, or you don't really like the template, you've made some changes, don't really like it, go ahead and you can make your changes to your template. So for an example, I can change my template. It still says don't miss out, here's my 50% off, and I can change it and it looks like that. So I can change my templates. Once I build my template, as you can see, I can have it just like this. See what I mean? Very simple to do. Looks really nice. Like even if we run this. Okay. And if I wanted to use a different photo in the background. Okay. Really simple to do. Or I can even type in photos and I can type in website. See what I mean? Very easy to do on how we can do it. But the main thing is it's simple to do. And I can move everything I want to do. I can change everything I want to do on how I want to do it. If I want to go back to the one I liked before, let's say if I wanted to use this one, I'm just going to download this. And with this, for the next video, what I'm going to show you is you want to download it in a JPEG. Okay? And press download. So that's how basic it is, guys, to literally make great content. What I suggest when you're doing a content for anything is keep a theme. Okay, so what I mean by keeping a theme is that if you look at ours, a lot of our themes are exactly the same. So what we're doing is we're doing stuff like this. Have you been told online business is easy? Just find a product, build a free web. So as you can see here, so we'll just start again. Have you been told online business is easy? Just find a product, build a free website, run a Facebook ad, Google ads, watch the money come in. And then no money. 90% of new customers we speak with have tried this and have failed. Okay? Want a real online business with training with real results? Join the #1 dropshipping agency today, Marketing Global Stores. Okay, so for us, we keep that same type of brand of how we're doing it. See what I mean? We're running a kind of a brand like that of color scheme of what we're running. Okay, we try to keep everything black, green, and white. So what you should do is you should really think about when you're doing something online is try to think of a theme, okay? So just try to think of a theme on what's going to work best for you and your brand, okay? And then stick to it, okay? So what I'm going to do now in the next video, we know how to create products, okay? We can delete that now. We can literally delete all of that, okay? And let's say if we wanted to start something new. It's very simple again. Perfect. Change everything you want to do. Change here. Looks great. So as you can see, these are the type of posts what are going to make your businesses look good and professional compared to people just screenshotting, going to Google and writing this. 50% sale. 50% sale. Okay, and people just doing this. Screenshotting that. And see how small that photo is? People are trying to screenshot this and make it very big, and before they know it, it looks really bad. So use Canva, it's free. There's thousands of templates, thousands of photos to use Canva. And again, it looks super professional. Looks so professional, looks great, and literally it will make your business look more professional. People will spend more money if things are more professional and they look more legit. That is exactly how you make good content for Instagram. And in the next video, down the bottom of this video, in the next video, I'm going to show you a free bonus on how to upload on Instagram via your PC.